Hello, Rotary Club of Gwinnett County, Ismaili Council members, community leaders, and honored guests. Thank you for that kind introduction, Mrs. Wilson. I am Keisha Lance Bottoms, and I am delighted to join you on this 40th anniversary of the International Day of Peace. In Atlanta, we are quite familiar with the concept of calling for a truce. It was the truce that allowed Atlanta to become the famous city, too busy to hate. Both sides proved that peace was indeed possible in the southern city, at least on the surface. The legacies of Dr. Joseph Lowery, Reverend C.T. Vivian, and Congressman John Lewis still lives on. And I stand before you today as a testament to a movement that used a foundation of peaceful protest to change a city and change a nation. It's important that we all remain steadfast in the UN's original goals of peace and unity. For more than 100 years, Rotarians have promoted peace across cultures and communities. Likewise, the Ismaili Council has worked to build bridges of peace and understanding in communities. It's never easy crossing cultural, religious, and political lines, even in the best of times. But if this last year has taught us anything, it's taught us that we have strength in unity. It's taught us that if we could see the humanity in others and commit to working together to bring everyone along, we could face these life-changing events with hope.
To share a few thoughts on this important day that draws attention to the need and urgency for peace globally. Where conflict is prevalent in many of the 193 nations that are subscribed under the United Nations, including here in the United States, where we have witnessed in recent times increased intolerance, anger, ethnic and racial tensions, and ideological fissures. The Aga Khan, together with our international partners, many of which are governments, including the United States, has sought to create the enabling conditions to foster tolerance, openness, and understanding, and to improve the quality of life of all peoples, irrespective of faith, ethnicity, language, or gender, that can foster social harmony, hope, dignity, and peace. The Ismaili Muslim community will soon celebrate its 50th year of settlement in this state. A half-century in which the community has sought to build bridges, to enrich this state through its various endeavors, including those such as this event today. We are grateful for Governor Kemp's recognition at the Georgia State Capitol of Ismaili Civic, a program that provides voluntary support to local communities in need. And we are also grateful for the Mayor's support, collaboration, and partnership. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, stated, "All mankind is from Adam and Eve. An Arab is not superior to a non-Arab. A white has no superiority over a black, nor does black have any superiority over a white, except through piety and good action."
Understanding who we are in relation to each other and also the experiences of others. And when we begin to do that more and more, we can very much unite more and create that peace that we want amongst each others.
But I would encourage each of us to continue to be the example to others, that we can have peace, we can have unity, we can come together. This event showed that today.